Hello, you guys. I am back with another video, and this job is coming from out of this company called Eximious Global, and this job role is a CRM specialist, and they will pay $35 to start. Startup pay is $35 and between $55 per hour. It's a full-time job position, and for this full-time job, it's a job title. This is an IT support analyst 2, field concierge support, CRM specialist. And the duration is 5 months, and the job description is here. This is what you will do. The field concierge support CRM specialist role ensures that the highest level of functional and technical support service is provided to the client's field sales, leadership, and representatives. This role delivers a personalized and remarkable experience for our field personnel by answering their questions, owning the resolution of their CRM related issue, and serving as a trusted resource and advocate for our field personnel. This role will interact with all levels of field personnel, commercial business operations, and commercial IT to understand areas of certain and provide white glove support from initial contact through resolution. You will be responsible for serving as a Viva CRM product expert with the ability to address the vast majority of field-based requests for support, providing white glove concierge support across client field-based personnel, including individuals with a wide range of functional and technical experience, understanding and accepting complex requests and providing straightforward and practical solutions, with the ability to articulate the requests and solutions to audiences of varying perception levels, collaborating with other field support concierge resources to expand the team's knowledge of Viva CRM functionality, anticipating future issues, and partnering with other field support concierge resources to implement solutions to avoid additional and repeat call transfers, handling phone/email interactions with the utmost professionalism and adherence to strict confidentiality and privacy standards, improving KPI performance through increased first call resolution and improved request completion times. You will need to have 3 years of demonstrated commercial operations experience, deep functional experience in Viva CRM within the life science industry, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, medical, diagnostic devices, preferred minimum 2 years of customer service experience with demonstrated success in a customer-facing application support role. Viva CRM field sales support preferred. A proven track record engaging with senior management executives as a subject matter expert. The demonstrated ability to de-escalate situations effectively while guiding field personnel through complex and unique inquiries. Exceptional written and verbal communication skills. You must also include the relevant physical and mental requirements section for your position from the options provided in the reference guide. We would prefer you to have 4 years of demonstrated commercial operations experience in the life science, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, medical, and diagnostic devices, 2 years of Viva CRM field sales support in the pharmaceutical industries. These are nice to have skills and requirements for this position right here, you guys. The 4 years of demonstrated commercial operations experience in the life sciences, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, medical, and diagnostic devices, and 2 years of Viva CRM field sales support in the pharmaceutical industry. And once again, the startup salary will be $35 to $55 per hour, and the scheduling will be 8-hour shift. and it'll be a work from home position. It's remote. So it's ongoing need to fill this role. It was posted 12 days ago, but they are still hiring you guys for this job. For the Eximious, the company name is Eximious Global. It's a CRM Specialist job position. Okay, you guys? So jump on it. And the next job will be from Factor. This company called Factor. And the role will be a customer service supply chain specialist. $14 an hour full-time job position. And this is the full job description. Factor is on a mission to make the $14 trillion manufacturing industry the most innovative sector of our economy. We're rebuilding the global supply chain's crumbling infrastructure, starting with the simplest way to order, track, and pay for purchase parts. About Factor, with 10 times customer growth over the past 6 months and $6 million in seed funding from top-tier Silicon Valley VCs, we are rapidly growing and expanding our team. Companies building high-tech hardware use our software to move from design to finished product faster. Today, over 250 companies use Factor to manage $45 million worth of transactions. About you. We are seeking a proactive self-starter who demonstrates strong communication skills, organizational skills, and the ability to perform professionally in a challenging and fast-paced environment. This is a full-time remote position with team members spreading across the U.S. and the world. In this job, you will directly help our customers build the next generation of hardware products by facilitating order placements and tracking orders from the beginning to the very end. Provide excellent customer support to our customers to our clients. Provide meticulous administrative support. Be an expert of our platform and processes. Work with individual users to ensure orders are placed in a timely fashion. Help implement global sourcing and supplier strategies, processes in correlation with current market trends and business needs. Work closely with the operations team to provide auxiliary operational support when needed. Work cross functionality with other departments including product, engineering, and sales. Work on other duties as assigned. We are an early stage startup, so you will be wearing multiple hats. Requirements: who you are, 2 years of experience post-college and have exposure to the supply chain industry. Delighting customers comes naturally. Excellent interpersonal skills and ability to build relationships with customers. Email etiquette. Exercises independent judgment to determine the root cause of the issue and find a solution with their own resources. Demonstrates a proactive solution-based approach to enhance customer relations via support tickets, calls, and emails. Extremely organized and able to prioritize. Work well under pressure in a rapidly changing environment. Self-starter who does not need to be managed day in and day out to actively add value. Analytical thinker and strategic problem solver. Identifies and implements opportunities for increased operational efficiencies. Strong sense of urgency and detail-oriented. Can work typically U.S. business hours, Monday through Fridays. Bonus points. Nice to have. Technical aptitude for complex concepts. Previous startup or small company experience. Have 1+ years of customer service experience. Previous remote working experience. Have experience utilizing tools such as Front and Brex. The benefits of this job, what they will offer you guys from this company Factor is competitive, comprehensive, and benefits. Meaningful equity, and flexibility. We are 100% remote and understand we all have lives outside of work. An opportunity to join an early stage startup and see your work directly impact the success and mission of the company. Co-workers who are dedicated to building the workplace we always wanted. We view transparency, open-mindedness, diversity, solidarity, and empowering each other to build, grow, and succeed. This job, once again, is $14 per hour and it's been posted 11 days ago, you guys. And they're still hiring, as you currently can see through Indeed. So apply to these two wonderful jobs, you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. You keep sparking, keep shining the opportunities, knocking on these positive doors, guys. Just keep wide open and just get busy. Just go ahead and bust through all these jobs and apply. And I will see you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe and comment down below. And subscribe, share. And I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye.